Yo, what is up guys? Your boy Juan from Trokiando. Welcome back to the channel and to another video. So yeah guys, the truck's at 610 tire and wheels right now. We came across this nice 4 to 6 inch BDS suspension lift that it was too good of a price to pass out on. So we went ahead and got it, and Victor and the team is actually putting it together. Big shout out to them for doing this all last minute. We're gonna be picking up the Denali here in a bit, so you guys stay tuned. And then we're gonna be hooking up to the trailer. Check out that final stand. Hopefully we have no issues hooking up the Denali with the trailer, and hopefully no pulling issues as well. ¿Estás dormido o qué, güey?
No, pero TikTok. I think we're taking tires or no?
Nah, no more. I didn't take them off in the morning. Me dio hueva.
Tires de qué?
De la Lightning. It's because the back ones are all balls and shit. What's the tire that's messed up?
I'm about to use one.
You about to use one? Which one is it? The one
on your side?
On my side?
On my side.
The back one or what?
Yeah.
Para los que no saben, Jonathan nomás hace drops.
Trabajo para el Bimbo, cuz.
Trabaja para el Bimbo. Las conchitas que miran en la gas station.
Pretty much.
Yes, sir. Ya me dio hambre, güey. Güey, levántala poquito, güey.
Está caro, güey.
Hey, güey.
15.
Why do you have your spares in the back of the bed? Acá acá abajo, ¿qué pedo?
Because I don't have the tool
No?
to take it off.
The red one no tenía, ¿verdad? The step side didn't have it. The blue fleece side didn't have it. And that's the tools to put in here so we can bring the spare down. So, tienen que poner este güey las llantas acá atrás.
Se va a hacer un mount like Baja truck.
Que quede acá arriba de mamalón.
Ya el hitch, mamalón, cuz.
Yeah, hitch.
Tiene stick.
What's the tire? Is this one? No, you said driver's side, right?
Yeah.
What did it have? A slash?
A big old hole.
Big hole? This one?
Dang.
So we're gonna get that one swapped out for ¿qué era? Toyo. We got it. This is Jonathan's Bimbo truck. We're gonna call it Bimbo. Very.
Bimbo?
La Bimbo. We got a slash on that back tire, so we came to 610 tire on wheels to pick up the Denali and also swap out the tire on the back of the truck porque alguien acá no quiere tener mismatched tires.
I know, huh?
This has a nice tread. Para los burnout.
No quemo, cuz. Esa no quema.
Los knuckles y es el color.
Oh shit, hell yeah.
That's the color. Es el que había pintado mi brother.
Okay.
The first time. Este es para que se hiciera 6 inch.
Okay.
Pero tío, como quedó muy alta, la tuve que poner otro bloque.
So tenía otro diferente.
Ya, con los Fox Shocks, ahí están los U-Bolts de antes, los knuckles de antes. Y ahí están las demás piezas originales. Los shocks aquí están, tenías Rancho Shocks.
Yeah.
Enfrente y atrás, aquí están, mira.
Pues si de repente vendo la troca o algo, pues
O la quieres poner back to stock.
yeah, back to stock.
Yeah.
Pero since you had to modify, don't you have to modify something like some brackets in the front? Some videos.
Sí, tienes que cortar. Aquí está, por aquí quedó. Tienes que cortar para que baje el front differential.
Pero para ponerla back to stock height, no hay pedo. Porque still works.
No, pero te lo puedo dar por si no la quieres poner back to stock, se lo pueden soldar.
Ah, okay.
Yo sé tirar cacahuates.
Eso.
Es lo que tuve que cortar.
You know how to weld that?
Yeah.
Just in case. De repente le hago trade in for an AT4 or something and I need to put it back to stock height.
Just tack it.
Just tack it.
Ahorita te junto todas las piezas.
Ya está.
Aquí está el crown que le quité.
Okay.
Le quité ese y ahí está donde le corté.
Okay. El low cover.
Ajá, el de frente. Ahora este lo reemplazó el que dice BDS.
Yeah. ¿Se mira malón ese?
Ya, si lo miras de abajo dice BDS.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
Digo, la fui a dejar hace como una hora. It should be ready.
Okay.
Anytime soon.
How did it ride?
Smooth.
Man, I can't wait to see that.
Porque cuando le puse a 6, las upper control arms de enfrente quedó bien estirada. It's gonna be rough el ride.
Okay.
So lo que hice, le puse el de 3, la bajé y es smooth. Ya.
Con madre.
Ahorita que venga para que la mires.
Ya está. Ahora sí para ir a ganchar la trail a ver cómo.
Upper back.
Upper back.
Yeah, later on, upper back.
Okay.
Took a picture? No, güey, mejor la miro cuando llegue.
Oh, le tomé fotos cuando toda desarmada todo. Por si quieres te las puedo mandar.
No, sí, yeah,
You can have them. Yeah.
Otro
Pero
pedo,
si quieres te
otro
las
pedo.
mando para que las tengas.
Yeah. Otro pedo, whenever you guys see the truck rolling in right now, here in a bit, te va a mirar mamalona. Luego unas pinches llantotes y los rines. ¿Te este calor o no?
No, güey.
Un poquito, ¿verdad? Like...
Sí, no mucho. Está perfect para la height que es.
Okay,
Perfect.
hell yeah.
No está muy salida ni muy metida. Está perfect.
Te voy a pasar por el McDonald's, por el drive-thru. No,
you don't
no
wanna do
cabe.
that. You don't wanna do that. Cuando la trajiste como a las 3 de la tarde, ¿no?
Sí, ya la
Ese
tengo.
día desarmé casi todo.
¿Sí?
Ya, nomás
Okay.
ayer sí me tocó todo bajar el differential, poner todas las brackets, poner todo para atrás.
Lo más pesadito.
Ya. Retorque todo el tornillo, como quiera, a las 1000 millas, bring it back.
Okay.
Yo siempre le digo a todos los customers, para las 1000 miles, bring it back, para que le digo un retorque a todo.
Ok, está bueno. Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll do that.
Así se miraba stock.
Vamos a ver cómo se mira con the 5-inch lift.
bitch is bad.
¿Cómo ves? No, hombre, el otro día a la Michoacana, güey, ¿no? Como tienen las máquinas.
Yeah.
Que you put 25 cents.
Sí.
Ahí la saqué, güey.
No, man. Con 50 cents or 25 cents?
50 cents.
50 cents?
Sí, güey.
Yeah, 50 cents, guys, try it out. Don't mess around the little machine, güey, porque ya can get a chain. Pesada, ¿verdad?
Y además, porque sé.
Póntela, Juan, póntela.
Póntela, dale, ahí está de venta.
Está pesadísima esta. Damn, bitch is bad.
You got one too, no?
Yeah.
How many grams is it?
Like 215.
215.
Makes mine look like a baby one.
No, no tengo nada, güey. Mira, mejor me meto. No.
Yeah, now this one's 500.
500?
La pura cadena.
Sí, la pura
Yeah, this
no,
is-
más.
Y luego esta es 160, la pura placa.
¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto for the chain?
15
15K.
y luego 18 por esto. Está cariñoso.
Está cariñoso. Gotta pay to play, huh?
Más de medio kilo.
You ready to see it?
I'm ready to see it.
¿Qué te espera?
Check out the final stance on Denali de TKO Hauler, a ver cómo quedó. Oh, damn. A la verga, güey.
Hey,
That's not it, güey.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Sheesh. Damn, bro, quedó con madre la pinche tropita. Mira,
Sitting at a 5-inch.
son floaters.
Floaters.
Para que no se equivoquen, ¿verdad?
Para que lo lean bien.
No anden con qué dice ahí.
A ver qué dice ahí.
No, ahí dice troqueando.
Yes, sir. Give you a good ride with the tires too. You
Yeah.
can't go wrong with the needle.
Yo, you can't go wrong. And what you guys think? The 5-inch BDS suspension kit on the 35 and the 24x12 concave. Se aventaron, güey. Se
Yeah, I already
aventaron.
know, man.
Shit came out really good.
It was a last minute thing.
Hey, it was a
Make it
last
happen.
minute thing. Yes, for came in clutch. El camarada de Ultimate Coatings también
Big
came in.
shout out.
Big shout out to him. He came in last minute, clutch as fuck, to do all the power coating black. Installed it in a day and a half. So big shout out to Victor 610 Tire and Wheels. If you guys are looking for any kind of tires, suspension work, wheels, Forgiato plug, aquí anda. And y'all get ready, man, because he's got something in the works right now. Probably be out by the shootout, so y'all stay tuned.
Yep, that's it too.
Y allá va a andar. So, Victor,
Yes, sir.
thanks
Está
again,
bueno.
bro. Quedó por madre la pinche troca. Sheesh. Mira nomás. Échale shine.
Al ring.
Que queden bien. No, güey, no mames, el ring no, güey.
Pa' que la shine, güey. Está bien sucio.
No se lavó, pero con Armor no pasa nada. Edgar? Alright, guys, so we're back at it the next day. We kind of lost some daylight, so we weren't able to hook up the trailer on the truck, how the stance was gonna be. Today, we were able to hook it up, load it up, and see how it is. Check it out, guys. It squats. That way. Looks good though. So the plan is gonna have to be put some helper back atrás para que ayude con el pinche weight, because at least went down an inch, no? 2 inches. And we still haven't loaded the truck. We still gotta load up the lining right now. Ahorita nomás está cargada con the merch. So 2 inches went down in the back. En frente se levantó un poquito. But man, that thing looks badass. Oh damn, pero de aquí sí se mira más squatted. Damn. What you think, Edgar? Sick. A ver la hat, güey. A ver. That new drip. What you guys think about that? Drop a little tacuache hat or what? Let us know in the comment section. Give me a tight squeeze. Si nos quedamos en el techo, güey, ¿salimos o no?
Yo fucking crane, but
Para salir es un pedo, güey, pero para entrar va a ser otro.
la madre, falta el zipper.
¿Ya te andabas cayendo?
Sí, look at this car right here. Está mejor esta para el destino, güey.
What
the fuck? No mames. Did someone actually put that shit on there?
Hey, bro.
Hey, someone wants to buy the cat.
They left you a note in the windshield.
Yeah.
Bro, güey, estaba nomás.
Yeah.
I
What, you think we wrote it and put it?
I don't know, guys. Should we sell it? That was gonna be a nice project truck. Let us know. Should we get rid of it? Should we keep on building it? Drop a comment below right now.
That looks good and we just barely getting started.
I know. Hey, it looks good on 17.
Yeah.
Pero esas son para la roja, ¿no?
Eso para la roja ya, bro.
Stop sign?
Yeah. Lo hubiéramos calado esa noche, güey. Ese día, we should have tried them on.
I told you.
Es que ya me quedé ir.
You were dead.
We were there all day. If you guys didn't watch the video of us doing the 4-6 drop on this one, we'll leave a link to the video up here on the screen so you guys can check it out. Jonathan did the whole 4-6 drop, spindles, springs, the flip kit atrás. For you guys that don't know, when you do 17s on a spindle drop, you have to trim that ball joint, the lower control arm ball joint. So we'll show that process on there so you guys check it out if you want to do a similar setup like that. We'll be getting a lot of DMs. How do you make them 17s fit? What size tire? Well, we'll show you on that video so you guys can check it out right there. But yeah, a lot of people have been asking me what size tire load and shit.
Yeah, because it's like a lot of people try to put stock tires on 17s and
You know queda.
no.
Yeah. Pues si me dan unos ran.
That's what I told Edgar.
En caliente.
Cacheteados.
¿Qué te pagó?
I'm letting it cool off.
Échale gas.
Dale, güey. Para acá. Straight. Está bien. You're good. Dale, you're good. I'm gonna check the back. Yeah, aquí todavía queda like 2 feet from the thing.
I might be able to move it back a little bit.
¿Qué estás haciendo, güey?
Me está regañando lo tóxico.
Shit, we got plenty of space back here. You have about almost 4 feet, güey.
Is it right there?
Yeah, right there.
Here you go. You gonna try to open it?
Pues sí, ¿no?
Yeah.
Pues then what about that one?
No, yo.
No tiempo.
Yo soy el chofer, güey. Yo no me puedo bajar, güey. Oh, it did turn red. Yeah. All right.
Nah, but by the time these niggas move, we're gonna be here for 5 minutes.
De lo rápido, bueno, le voy a arrancar todo el espejo.
They're gonna go at the same time?
Pues ni modo que uno y uno. You're gonna be like, what the fuck is going on?
Dale. Con cuidado, güey. Esto. There you go.
¿Qué hago? Me van a atropellar en un carro.
Hey, mission accomplished. Chingao.
¿Qué te dije, güey? Volada.
En caliente. Now that does help a lot.
No, it does.
A lot. You had to jump off?
Sí, güey. It's just a little 2 feet. No pasa nada.
Bien suelta.
Ahí sí, y amarres de ciscos, Juan.
I think it was that when you slam on the brakes.
Los amarres de Juan.
That was you, güey.
Esa sí fue tuyo, güey.
Me chiqué solo.
Did you lock the side door?
I didn't lock shit.
You didn't lock nothing?
No. Pues pa' qué? We're driving with it.
It opens up. Güey, no se movió nada, güey. Even that box, I thought it was gonna fall down. Nice.
You got the bimbo man right here. I'll be strapping stuff down there. You know, 6 months already.
Good job, Jonathan. Good job.
Tú solo,
Hey, this video's gonna come out shaky, bro. My bad.
ya no me están dando ganas de venir mañana.
I can't even fucking hold the camera straight.
Hey.
Yeah, así tengo la mano, güey, the whole time recording, bro, like this.
If the video comes out shaky as hell, guys, that's because Edgar's just cold. Eh?
Ya me quedé pegado aquí.
Like what? It said 37 degrees? 37 and it's raining. ¿Te machucaste? Lo bueno que cuando está frío, güey, ni lo sientes.
No, nada.
Pero más al rato, manda el dedo, mira. Well, here it is, guys. LST 2022. Ya andamos aquí. We got a little 30 by 30 spot right by the entrance, right by the spectator entrance. We have to kind of maneuver the trailer to kind of go in there and try to make it fit. So here's our spot. Mira, that's gonna be our spot right here. So we got from the kind of from the light pole to this la estaca que está aquí. You think we'll make it fit?
We'll try.
Yeah.
A ver cómo sale.
Es frío, güey.
Nah, un poquito, güey, nomás. No nada. I was gonna try to be in the truck for a little bit. Can I record from the truck? Shit.
Hey, get a GoPro, put the thing in your head,
Oh,
güey, and then just walk like this. I got you, güey. Wherever you're looking at, the camera's looking at, and then it's good. Let me go ahead and back up. We'll take off the sign, we'll take off the estaca. I'll back up hasta acá, y luego ya nos vamos acomodando bien and shit.
No, todavía no, yo lo vergo.
Tiene tanto frío que se anda fumando un cigarro.
Hey, something to warm me up, bro. Fuck.
Saca la light,
Ah,
güey.
bueno,
Saca la light aquí, no. Chingado, güey. ¿Cómo lo ves, güey?
Así lo voy a agarrar.
Está cabrón este pedo. Ten, güey.
I don't put that on video because my girl's gonna get put.
That'll be for proof.
¿Estás fumando, cabrón?
Day 3. Míralos. Tranquilos los chavos.
Trying to relax.
Relax. Hasta que salió el solecito, ¿no?
Sí, casi la calentó.
Day 3, guys, LST 2022. Hasta que salió el solecito, as you can see right behind me. Man, it's been a crazy weekend here at LST. Cold, wet, and cold. But luckily the sun's out already. We're here Sunday, it's past noon, so we get to see actually trucks driving around, everyone having a good time, and actually more people are coming aboard now because it got a little warmer. We weren't able to record as much yesterday just because we were just basically inside the trailer. It was really cold with the heater on. Pero ahora sí, we're here. I'll show you a little bit of the ride. Enjoy LST 2022. What do you think about those?
I think they fit badass on the Coyote.
So shout out to the guy that brought these shocks. Talked to Edgar, said he has some extra shocks, some QA1 that will fit perfect on the Lightning. Brought them over next day and he said we could get them. Shout out to you, brother, for giving us the shocks. See that? QA1. Damn, a lot of badass trucks that came out right now.
Y'all showed up. It was a good day. Fucking Sunday. No estaba frío. It wasn't wet.
Yeah, it was horrible this whole weekend. Friday, Saturday, it was bad. Sunday morning, still a little bit bad. So around noonish, pero ahorita, as you guys can see, it's nice and sunny outside. So everyone's starting to actually cruise around. See some badass trucks like this one. But yeah, guys, everyone's cruising around. Everyone's actually leaving too because it's already 4 o'clock. So that's it, guys. You guys seen, we went to pick up the Denali. Came out here to LST. We're on that crunch. We got everything set up, ready to go. The Lightning. Yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like this video, comment below, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Pues o no? It looks like you're fighting with it. Se nos hizo. We got the sign that we wanted. The Lone Star Throwdown sign. Yeah. So we're gonna be hanging it at the shop. Para que se miren malón. Yeah. Let us know, guys. Should we make some of those signs for us? Trokiando. Some sheet metal signs. Drop a comment below. Make them available and I'll sell them for you guys.